Hey Poppy, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and now to get started. So today, I'm going to be doing fake fidget trading with myself. So basically, it's a scamming one, so let's get started. I wish I didn't only have a pop tube as a fidget. Look at that girl over there, she has so many fidgets. I'm going to try and scam her. Hello, miss. Can I offer for some of your fidgets? Yes, of course. What would you like to offer me? I will offer this super rare, limited edition, and it's like so loud and cool pop tube. Like, it's so cool. Alright then, I'll offer 2 tangles. Ad. That's such a bad offer. I would trade literally my fidget bracelet for that. Ad. Alright then, I'll add my Anita. Do you accept? No, I don't. Add. Oh my gosh. Okay, I never thought I'd do this, but I'll add all of these fidgets. Oh, please accept. Like, a pop tube is my dream fidget, and it's just, if it's super rare limited edition, I obviously want it. Okay, do you accept? Let me think. Okay, fine. Here's your pop tube. Grab all these fidgets. Haha, get scammed. No! So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. I'll see you next time. Bye guys!